Welcome back to the Passive Playbook. Do you want to make an ebook or online course, but feel overwhelmed by the process or unsure where to begin? Maybe you don't want to spend weeks making it, or you're worried it'll take too much time and energy. Good news! With the latest AI tools, you can finish your digital product in just hours. No need for a big team or a huge budget. In this guide, I'll show you the secrets to becoming a super fast digital creator using ChatGPT, Claude, Grammarly, Canva, Synthesia, and Tome.app, tools that make everything easier. Step by step, I'll teach you how to use these powerful tools to get rid of writer's block and design paralysis for good. It's simple, fast, and you can totally do it, even if you're not a tech expert or have never tried before. So come on, let's start the adventure together and unlock your creative potential. We all know, Filipino creators are often a one-man team, juggling so many roles at once, sometimes even more than you can count on your fingers. You're the writer, designer, editor, marketer, and your own coffee's barista. Every day, you switch hats just to keep your creative projects moving forward. The biggest enemy? Time. An ebook can take weeks or even months. Research, outline, writing, editing, design, marketing. It's overwhelming. Sometimes, it feels like there's never enough hours in a day to get everything done. This is where AI comes in as the ultimate sidekick. It's like a super assistant that's available 24/7, always ready to help you out, no matter how late it is. Need ideas, drafts, or design? AI can do it in seconds. Writer's block, grammar issues, and design worries, solved. It's like having a creative partner who never gets tired. AI tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, and Canva help you create professional content fast, boosting your confidence and output. You can polish your work and make it look world-class, even if you're working solo. You won't get stuck on technical details anymore. You can focus on the message and value you want to share. Your energy goes into creativity, not just fixing small mistakes. AI empowers you to create and share your knowledge, leveling the playing field for all Filipino creators. Now, anyone can compete with bigger teams and bigger budgets. AI won't replace you, it just makes your creativity stronger. It's here to support your ideas, not take over your unique voice. It's like having a magic wand that speeds up all the tedious parts of the creation process, so you can focus on what truly matters, your passion and vision. You can now channel your creativity into content that will help others, inspire your audience, and even open new opportunities for yourself. AI is the game changer for passionate Filipino creators. Bring your ideas to life, faster and better. With AI by your side, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Writing is often the slowest part of any project, but with the help of AI, you can speed things up dramatically. Gone are the days of struggling for hours just to get started. Use ChatGPT or Claude as your personal brainstormer, research assistant, and even as your first draft writer. These tools can help you generate ideas, structure your content, and write faster than ever before. For example, let's say you want to create an ebook on budget-friendly travel tips for Filipinos. You don't have to start from scratch or spend hours outlining. Just type a prompt like, "Give me a 10-chapter outline for an ebook titled Piso Wise Wanderer." The AI will instantly generate a detailed outline for you. In just seconds, you'll have a clear, organized outline to guide your writing process. No more feeling lost or overwhelmed at the beginning. You can even ask the AI to write a draft for each chapter, giving you a solid base to work from. This saves you hours of time and effort. All you need to do is edit the draft, add your personal stories, and tweak the language to make it sound like your own voice. This is where your creativity shines. You don't have to stare at a blank page anymore. AI gives you a starting point right away, making the process much less intimidating and more enjoyable. Next, polish your draft using Grammarly. This tool checks your grammar, spelling, and even suggests ways to make your writing clearer and more effective. Just paste your text, and Grammarly will instantly point out grammar and clarity issues, helping you sound more professional and confident. It's like having a personal English teacher who's always ready to help, making sure your writing is polished and easy to read. Pro tip: if you think and speak faster than you type, use Google Docs voice typing. Just read your draft aloud and add your thoughts as you go. It will transcribe everything you say in real time, perfect for making your content sound natural, conversational, and uniquely yours. Imagine, you can write an entire chapter just by talking. This method is great for capturing your authentic voice and ideas quickly. By combining ChatGPT for drafting, Grammarly for polishing, and voice typing for personalization, writing an ebook becomes super fast, efficient, and even enjoyable. No more writer's block. AI makes writing fast, easy, and fun. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in less time. Now you can focus on adding your unique insights, stories, and expertise to make your work truly stand out. With these AI tools, you're ready for the next step. Confident, prepared, and excited to keep writing. Writing is done, now for design. Canva is the queen of AI design tools, user-friendly and has Magic Write and Magic Design features. Upload a photo or type an idea, and Canva gives you multiple ebook cover templates in seconds. Pick a template, edit text and colors, and you're done. You have a professional-looking cover right away. Even page layouts have ready-made templates. Just paste your text and drag and drop photos. Want something more automated? Try Design. Import your content, pick a template, and it formats everything for you. Table of contents, headers, footers, page numbers. It's all automatic. You don't need a graphic designer or layout artist anymore. First impressions count. Your cover should be eye-catching and professional. Thanks to AI tools, even if you're not an artist, you can create high-quality visuals. Experiment with colors, fonts, and images. AI makes it easy. Create a visually stunning ebook that matches your awesome content. Next, let's level up to online courses. Want an online course? AI tools make it easy. Synthesia lets you create video lectures without facing the camera. Just type your script, pick an avatar, and the video is done. Perfect for explainer videos, tutorials, and module intros. No need for lights, camera, or editing skills. You can also use ChatGPT to write your scripts, then paste them into Synthesia. For presentations, try tom.app. Type your topic, and it creates slides with text and AI-generated images. Present live or record your screen while discussing the slides. Use Loom for easy screen recording. Show your slides, record your face, and share the link instantly. Loom even has AI features like auto titles and summaries. No more tech stress. Just focus on teaching. AI removes the biggest barriers to course creation. You're ready to launch your own online course. Let's bring together all the best tools into one streamlined, lightning-fast workflow. Perfect whether you're building an ebook, an online course, or any digital product you can imagine. Step 1. Idea and outline. Start by brainstorming with ChatGPT. In just 30 minutes, you can generate a detailed outline, clarify your topic, and even get suggestions for unique angles or bonus content. Step 2. Content creation. Use ChatGPT to draft your chapters or lessons, then add your own insights and stories. Polish your writing with Grammarly, and speed up the process with voice typing for a natural flow. Step 3. Production and design. Format your ebook in Canva or Designer for a professional look, or create engaging course videos with Synthesia. Build beautiful slides with tome.app to make your content shine. Use Loom to record your presentations or tutorials, making your course even more interactive and personal. Each phase takes just a few focused hours. By the end of the day, you'll have a polished digital product ready to share with the world. Review and finalize your work. Download your ebook as a PDF, organize your course videos, and double-check everything for quality. In just one day, you'll go from a blank page to a finished product, ready to sell, share, and make an impact. This repeatable, AI-powered workflow is your secret weapon for launching new ideas quickly and efficiently. It's not just, I hope so, it's I can, because you have the tools and the process to make it happen. Imagine launching products faster than ever before, surprising yourself with how much you can accomplish in a single day. With AI, you become a prolific digital creator, able to turn ideas into reality again and again. You can absolutely do this. Take the first step and start now. Next, let's wrap up and get you started on your own digital product journey. Recap time. For writing, use ChatGPT or Claude. For grammar, Grammarly. For design, Canva and Designer. For courses, Synthesia, tome.app, and Loom. AI tools make you smart and efficient. Focus on creativity and value, not technical hassles. Anyone can now create professional quality digital products. Barriers are gone. Opportunities are huge. Don't feel pressured to master all tools at once. Start with one. Try ChatGPT for an outline or Canva for a cover. Just begin. Once you see how fast you can work, you'll want to create more. The momentum will build. Soon, you'll launch product after product. Your ideas are valuable. People need to hear them. Open your laptop, pick a tool, and start creating today. Go now, friends. Start creating. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Salamat!